Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank. Stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Low temperature sleep mode. The Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank is professionally designed with a low temperature sleep mode. This feature activates when the power bank is in low temperature environments, protecting the battery from potential damage caused by the cold. By reducing chip wear and extending the battery's service life, this mode ensures safer and more reliable use, even in harsh weather conditions. Strong, persistent input. Safety is paramount in the design of this power bank. It not only excels in charging devices, but also incorporates robust safety protections, giving users peace of mind. The Movespeed power bank is available in various capacities, allowing consumers to choose one that best suits their needs. Its unique design enhances visibility and ease of use, ensuring you can always find it when you need it. Supports safe charging of laptops. One of the standout features of the Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank is its ability to safely charge laptops. This makes it an ideal companion for professionals who are always on the go. With 65W fast charging capability, it meets daily power needs efficiently, whether at home or at work. This feature significantly enhances the convenience and functionality of the power bank, making it a versatile tool for all your devices. After-sales service. Customer satisfaction is a top priority for Movespeed. If you have any questions or encounter any issues with the product, their dedicated staff is ready to assist you. Prompt and efficient after-sales service ensures that your concerns are addressed in a timely manner, enhancing your overall experience with the product. Pros. The Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank offers numerous advantages, making it a top choice for users. Its low-temperature sleep mode effectively protects the battery and extends its life, making it particularly suitable for use in colder climates. With strong, persistent input and multiple capacity options, it caters to various consumer needs, ensuring you always have the right amount of power. The 65W fast charging feature is a significant advantage for professionals who need to charge their laptops on the go. Built-in safety protections ensure you can use the power bank without any concerns about safety hazards. Additionally, the reliable after-sales service ensures that any issues or queries are promptly addressed, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. Cons. While the Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank offers advanced features and high-capacity options, it comes with a few drawbacks. The price point is higher than other models on the market, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its high capacity and multiple features result in a bulkier size and weight compared to simpler power banks. The low-temperature sleep mode, though beneficial in cold environments, may not provide added value for users in consistently warm climates. For more details and to check the price, follow the link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product for more reviews and updates on the latest gadgets and tech accessories. The Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank stands out with its robust features, making it a valuable addition to your tech arsenal. From protecting your battery in low temperatures to providing fast and safe charging for laptops, it caters to a wide range of needs. While it may come at a higher price point and be slightly bulkier, the benefits it offers, along with excellent after-sale support, make it a worthy investment. For anyone in need of a reliable and versatile power bank, the Movespeed 65W fast charging power bank is a top contender,